Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Textsplit command on Excel, which only works in Excel 365. So if you have older versions of Excel, you might not have this command. So let's say you're working for some company, you're a teacher, you probably have a job writing down names one by one because you don't know some of the commands to make your life easier. So let's say if you're even really slow at typing, that's gonna make life harder for you. So let's just delete all of that and let me show you a tip. And what you just need to do is you can use the Textsplit command, and let me show you how it works. So what the Textsplit program does is that it will split the text from the Clark Kent into similar multiple parts of the first name, multiple cells. So basically the first name will appear Clark, and then the last name is Kent. So what you need to write is write Textsplit, then click on the cell that you want to split the text off, and then comma, and then you can see here call delimiter, which is basically what separates these two characters. So we just space and then add a new quotation mark, and then what happens then is that you just press enter, and as you can see, these characters are now separated as Clark and Kent, the first and the last name. And you can just do it to others by just dragging it down. So actually there's something else that I want to tell you about. This is what's happening here is called a spill. Basically the command generated two multiple results which had to be put in separate cells, because that's how Textsplit works, which really does wonders. But now, what if we have something else? We have a different problem. It's not just focusing on full names, but what if we have a list? Let's say this wasn't only just Clark Kent. Let's add a comma and add another name. Let's say there's another name here, Hero at Ross. And let's say we want the first name, literally the first name, to be on the first name. We just want Clark Kent here, and we want Hero at Ross on the last name. What you just need to do is just still do Textsplit. Click on the cell that you want it modified, and as you can see, if you do the same as before, it doesn't really work as well as you want it to be, because the call delimiter has to be modified to comma, because that is what separates these two characters. I mean, you want it to be separated by a comma, so you do the same thing, put a comma, and then just enter. As you can see, it has been separated by the comma, and now Clark Kent and Hero Actros are in different cells. So you can do that to any other punctuations, even a question mark or a dot. Just register that to the call delimiter. Tell Excel that this is what these characters are separated by, and it will separate those characters by those symbols that you give. But that is how you use Textsplit in Excel. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.